Hello students, welcome back. So in this module, we are going to discuss the problems and the shortcuts which are based on logarithmic and exponential functions. So, shortcuts as usual which we start. Limit x is tending towards 0, a raised to x minus 1 by x is log a. Limit x is tending towards 0, e raised to x minus of e raised to minus x minus 1 by x square is 1. Limit x is tending towards 0, 1 plus x, the whole raised to 1 by x is e. Limit x is tending towards 0, a plus bx upon a plus cx, the whole raised to 1 by x is given by e raised to b minus c by a. Limit x is tending towards 0, a raised to x minus of a raised to minus x minus 1 by x square is log a the whole square. Limit x is tending towards 0, a raised to x minus b raised to x upon x is equal to log of a by b. Limit x is tending towards 0, 1 plus ax whole raised to 1 by x is equal to e raised to a. Limit x is tending towards 0, log of 1 plus mx by x is m. So now, moving ahead with the problems. You have a function and when x is not equal to 0, it is 3 raised to x plus 3 raised to minus x minus 2 by x square. And when x is equal to 0, you need to find the value of k and f of x is continuous at x equal to 0. As a result, if f of x is continuous at x equal to 0, we know this equation, that is f of 0 should be equal to limit x is tending towards 0 f of x. As a result, k would be equal to limit x is tending towards 0, 3 raised to x plus 3 raised to minus x minus 2 upon x square. My dear students, you remember the shortcut already. That is, when limit x is tending towards 0, a raised to x plus a raised to minus x minus 2 by x square should be equal to log a the whole square. Here, a is 3. As a result, the value of k would be log 3 the whole square, and hence option A is the correct answer. Moving ahead, you have a function and when x is not equal to 0, the function is log of 1 plus 3x to the base 1 minus 3x. As we know, f of x is continuous at x equal to 0, f of 0 should be equal to limit x is tending towards 0 f of x, and hence the constant k is equal to limit when x is tending towards 0, 1 plus 3x upon log of 1 minus 3x. But my dear students, we know a standard formula that log of 1 plus x by x is what the standard form we need. Hence, we are dividing by x and the value would be log of 1 plus 3x by x the whole upon log of 1 minus 3x by x. Now by using a shortcut, that is log of 1 plus mx by x is given by m. Hence the value would be plus 3 upon minus 3, and which is nothing but minus 1, and hence option A is the correct answer. Moving ahead, limit x is tending towards 0, log of cos x. Students, you might be wondering, what is this question exactly? Such questions are a tricky one. It's a straightforward as well, but just what you need to understand is you need to put simply the value of x. That is, limit x is tending towards 0, log of cos x would be log of cos 0, and we know cos 0 is 1, and hence log 1 is 0. Option A is the correct answer. Moving ahead, when x is not equal to 0, the function is 10 raised to x minus 5 raised to x minus 2 raised to x plus 1 the whole upon x square, and at x equal to 0, it is log 4 into log 5 by k. So, as a function is continuous at x equal to k, f of 0 should be equal to limit x is tending towards 0 f of x. As a result, log 4 into log 5 by k should be equal to limit x is tending towards 0, 10 raised to x minus 5 raised to x minus 2 raised to x plus 1 whole by x square. My dear students, you observe this formula? Can we compare it with the above given formula? That is, limit x is tending towards 0, ab raised to x minus a raised to x minus b raised to x plus 1 upon 2. That is, we know that 10 is nothing but 5 into 2. So, a is 5, b is 10 and 5 into 2 is acting as ab. So, as a result, whose answer is log a into log b. So, in this case, here a is 5 and b is 2. As a result, equation would be log 5 into log 2. So, when we are equating it, it would be log 4 into log 5 by k is equal to log 5 into log 2. Shall we write that log 4 as log 2 the whole square? So, it would be 2 log 2 into log 5 by k, which is nothing but log 5 into log 2. So, by cancellation, the value of k which we get is 2 and hence, again option A is the correct answer. Moving ahead, you have a function when x is not equal to 0 as 1 plus 3x whole raised to 1 by x. You need to find the value of k. As the function is continuous at x equal to 0, f of 0 would be equal to limit x is tending towards 0 f of x. We know a standard formula first of all, that is limit x is tending towards 0, 1 plus mx whole raised to 1 by x should be nothing but e raised to m. So in this case, your f of x would be replaced with limit x is tending towards 0, 1 plus 3x whole raised to 1 by x. So in this case, your m is 3. As a result, value would be e cube and hence option B is the correct answer. Thank you.